Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will provide the process to fix Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 cable modem router not working. Here you will get the steps to set up and reconfigure this device. Let's start. Connect the power adapter to the Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 cable modem router, and plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Then wait for the power LED and the Internet LED to light solid green. Connect your computer or Wi-Fi device to the Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 cable modem router. To connect with Wi-Fi, use the Wi-Fi network name and password on the product label. For a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to an Ethernet port on the modem router. To log into the Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 cable modem router, launch a web browser. Here, you need to type the routerlogin.net in the web address bar and hit enter. Now, you will redirect it to the login page. Here, you need to enter admin for the username and password for the password box. After login, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your modem router. If your Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 cable modem router not working, or you need our assistance to configure this device, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.